How to add subtitles automatically using Veed. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, you are ready to add subtitles. To add subtitles automatically, click on the Subtitles option in the left-hand menu. Then select Auto-Subtitle in English. Veed will use its AI-powered transcription tool to automatically detect the spoken words in your video and create subtitles for you. This process usually takes just a few moments depending on your video length. Once the subtitles are generated, you can edit the text, adjust the timing, and choose different font, color, sizes, and positions to match your video style. After reviewing and adjusting your subtitles, you can continue editing your video by adding text, titles, transitions, or music to make your video more engaging. Once everything looks perfect, export your video with embedded subtitles to share on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any platform. Now you know how to add subtitles automatically using Veed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.